guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the second chorus. I'm going to break it down into small bits to make it easy, okay? It's not easy. Okay. So the first two counts of 8 are identical. You start with your feet hip width apart, so kind of out. Your knees are a little bit bent, your hips are going to be out. Okay, so I'll do it to the side so you can see my hips. Okay, we start with our hips out and we just go twerk it and twerk it and twerk it and twerk it. Okay, it's called the booty pop or the twerk. Okay, so we do just this movement for 16 counts of 8. Okay, and you can kind of move your feet with the beat. It's not important. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, your feet go 1, 2, left foot, and then right foot goes out on 3, and then it goes back in on 7, 8, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's just do that, those two counts of 8. Ready? You just put your hands on your hips. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, stepped on the wrong count. Super hard. But anyways, let's add the hands and the head. Okay, so let's just talk about the hands and the head during this part. Okay, so obviously she's saying, if you like a bench, you want to ring on it. So what do we do with our hands? Okay, like I said, we start with our hands and our hips, but our head is actually facing left for 1, 2. 3, 4, our head goes to the right. It holds here for 5, 6, and then goes front for 7, 8. So let's just do the head for those two counts of 8. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's the head. The hands go on the hip for 1, 2, and then your hand comes up, kind of like out actually, for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the hip for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's just do the head and the hands together for those two counts of 8. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, simple, right? Now let's put the twerk with the hands. I can't get the foot every time, okay? So I'm gonna focus on my hips moving while my hand is only going on 3, 4. And if I can remember, I'm gonna look at it also, okay? Ready, set, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, now I messed it up, see? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did it wrong. See, it's hard. Let's do it again. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm never gonna get it. It's so hard. Just kidding. If Beyonce can do it, I can do it, and for sure you guys can do it. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I did it. I hope you did too. Okay, but that's not all. That's just the first two counts of 8. Luckily, the third count of 8 is much easier. Okay, so we finished 7, 8. So you just put your hands on your hips. Your right foot comes forward with your front hip ready to go out, and you just do hip circles for 1 count of 8. Okay, but remember to put power when we go up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then the fourth count of 8 is the same as the first two. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's put those 4 counts of 8 together. Good luck. Okay, ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woohoo! I did it. Okay. Now the next part is super fun. Get your arms ready. Okay. We start on the diagonal. As of now, we were just facing completely forward. Now we're going to move our bodies a 45-degree angle to the right. And our right arm is going to come up. Okay? And while our right arm is out, the left foot is 1. 2 is it switches. My left arm is out, and my right knee comes up to passe. Okay, so it goes 1, 2. Okay, and then 3 is obviously switching it again, but 4, the knee doesn't come up again. Okay, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm wrong. Okay, it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're lunging forward, left foot forward, right foot back, arm straight in front. 1, 2, 3. I can't do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, ready? Let's just do the feet. Okay, the arms are easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right, left, right, left. Those are the arms. The legs go lunge, knee, lunge. That's it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, the legs are just lunge, knee, lunge, and the arms go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it all together. Just that 4. Count 4. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's like a warrior kind of pose, right? Okay, now we're right here, and we want to go 5, 6. So this arm comes out, and this arm pushes down. Okay, so it's kind of like, even though we're here, you have to kind of all of a sudden be here, and push your right arm down while your left knee comes up and your right hip pops, right? So we were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we do it on the right first and then on the left. And then we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's do it twice in a row. Ready, set, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the next part takes even more coordination, if you believe it. Okay, so our right arm is going to go back, and the left arm is going to go in front. Okay, can you see my arm? Okay, and then we switch. Okay, so we start 1, 2. You see? So that's 1, 2. Okay, so we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, and then our arms go forward for 3, and then out for 4. Okay, so it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now we're just going to take the arms back and do a body roll until your hands are on the hips. Your left hip is popped. Your right knee is popped. Okay, so we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to roll those hips for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so your arms come up, your body rolls down, your hands come down and out, and then 8 is you look up. It's actually 7. Or 7.5. 7, 8. Because this is really 8. You have to get ready to go back into teapot, our favorite. Okay, so let's do it from here. Ready, set, I'll do it slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we go into our teapot mode. Okay, my right hip was popped, so I'm going to put my weight on it and then step on my left foot to kick out with my right. Okay, can you see my feet? So we just did 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So that's the next move. It's oh. Okay, so you go, you step on the left, you kick with the right, and it's kind of like a hop. Okay, so it's step, ball, change. And, okay, then the the foot that you just did the ball with before the change, ball, change, is now ready to go step, hop, step, ball, change. Step, step, ball, change. Okay, so we do that 4 times. The first 2 times, your hand is going to be in teapot mode. The third time, you're going to wag your finger, right, because you shouldn't have done that. And then, the fourth, the hand is just going to come down and pop up at will, okay? And we're going to do all that in a circle. Are you ready? Let's see if we can do it in a circle. 5, 6, we just did. Me, okay? Because if you like it, then you should wing on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now after those 4 counts of 8, we're going to be facing front and center again. Our right hand comes up. Our left hand is under our hips. Okay, and we're going to swap back and forth with our hand, right? If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it, right? Okay, so our head goes side to side and our left shoulder pops up. Okay, so when your palm is facing forward, your left shoulder is up. Otherwise, it's like that, okay? So we do it for 2 counts of 8. But the 7, 8 is different, okay? So we're going to do it for 1 count of 8 and then 1 count of 6, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now for 7, 8, right, she kind of looks back at her ring, right? So your ring should be facing your face, and you lean back to look at it for 7, 8. And kind of like 1, 2, and then you go back to normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last count of 8, she just kind of laughs and shimmies, and it's super fun. And let's do it from the top. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it.